This pie is so wet and literally takes 3 ingredients. First you heat up a pan with water, put a bowl into it, add 300 grams of chocolate. Add 10 medium-sized peeled bananas. It's time to smash them. Now crack 6 eggs into the mixture. Mix it. Your chocolate should have melted by now. You can add it to the mixture. Mix it well. Add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Take your pie form and add some baking paper. Now you can finally add all the mixture. Put it in the oven. Heat it to 200 degrees. After 30 to 40 minutes it should be cooked. Let it cool a bit and then you can enjoy.